Good afternoon. I first want to start by saluting Mary Sellis and the United Way of Passaic County, especially the response that they came forward with relative to the floods and creating the fund for victims of the flood. And also what happened behind me a few weeks ago when this was transformed into a shopping place or center for people who may have been homeless or people who have been affected by the flood. So thank you, Mary, for standing up for folks in their time of need. Today, of course, we're proud to announce that the United Way of Passaic County is offering free tax preparation services. So once again, the United Way of Passaic County is demonstrating that they are here to meet the need in our community. So we salute you. And also, they're going to be providing screening and enrollment for health insurance and SNAP. They're also going to provide assistance relative to the Earned Income Tax Credit. But let me not steal Mary's thunder. At this time, I'm proud to present to you the Executive Director of the United Way of Passaic County, Mary Sellis.
We're here to announce the opening of the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program right here at Center City Mall. And this is really in line with our mission. The mission of the United Way of Passaic County is to improve lives of residents by mobilizing the caring power of the community. So we mobilize people to volunteer, to donate, and to advocate. And this program is really powered by volunteers. We mobilize volunteers to become IRS-certified tax preparers, and we have more than 40 volunteers who are going to prepare about 1,500 tax refunds for low to moderate income households in Passaic County. Why is this important? First of all, taxes are complicated. I don't do my own taxes. I have an accountant that does that, and it's complicated. There's technology barriers or language barriers for people. We want to support people. It's a free program. But more than that, we want people to access tax credits that are some of the strongest anti-poverty tools that we have. The Earned Income Tax Credit, the Child Tax Credit. New Jersey is one of 14 states that has an expanded child tax credit. We want to have more resources in people's pockets. The Earned Income Tax Credit is incredibly important. In New Jersey, more than 25% of eligible households don't access the Earned Income Tax Credit. That translates into almost $300 million being left on the table for New Jersey residents. So the tax credits are essential. And third, why is it important? Is because we want people to take those resources and be financially empowered to make good decisions, pay down debt, build assets, build savings, open bank accounts, have an emergency fund. This is critical for people's financial stability. So we are doing screening for health insurance and SNAP. We want people to get access to every resource that's available to them. And again, I want to say thank you to our donors, the IRS, the state of New Jersey, Valley Bank, Wells Fargo. We couldn't do this without the support of our donors. We couldn't do this without the support of volunteers. And personally, I want to say thank you to the Financial Empowerment Director, whose name is Jeremy Ginter. He's actually inside helping clients right now. Jeremy is a dedicated champion of VITA. This is a difficult program to run, but he has a technical assistance, understanding of the tax system, tax code, but also really knows how to recruit, inspire, and supervise volunteers. It really is a phenomenal program, and I want to say thank you to the mayor, thank you to the county commissioners, thank you to our supporters. This is a critical program, and we're going to expand it by 30% this year. So we're excited. Thanks for being here.
Thank you. And speaking of expansion, I'm glad that we're building on our very promising partnership. I alluded to a couple of instances where there were flood victims that needed assistance, people who, low-income families, needed clothing and had an opportunity to shop for 40 minutes with dignity as a result of the United Way of Passaic County. And now for anyone that wants to prepare their taxes and doesn't have the bandwidth to do so, the United Way of Passaic County is accommodating them as well. So it is about consistency, but it's also about collaboration, and we're hoping that with this press conference, with this ribbon cutting, with this grand opening, that we're able to promote this program and raise awareness relative to a free service that is provided by, or under the auspices of the United Way of Passaic County. And again, I want to emphasize the fact that we're profoundly grateful for volunteers who are part of this program as well. So thank you, United Way of Passaic County. Thank you, Jerry Flack and Valley. That's why I bank with you. Let's cut this ribbon right now.
Yes.
Free tax prep on 3. Yeah.
We need to be a part of the